pronunciation of sh. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. The best way to pronounce the sh sound in Polish is simply to say it as the English sh. Sh is like English shop, shelter, shampoo. Please repeat after me. Remember, this is like English sh. Shh. 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 Now repeat. Ash. Ash. Osh. Oosh. Ish. Ouch. And again. Ash. Ash. Osh. Oosh. Ish. Ouch. Well done. Shh. 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 Please repeat. Sha. Share. Shaw. Shoe. Share. Shown. And again. Sha. Share. Shaw. Shoe. Share. Shown. Please repeat after me. Śliwa. Śliwka. Świnia. Ślimak. And again. Śliwa. Śliwka. Świnia. Ślimak. Please repeat after me. Środek. Śpi. Gęś. Ryś. Coś. And again. Środek. Śpi. Gęś. Ryś. Coś. Please repeat after me. środa, śniadanie, ściana. Once more. Środa, śniadanie, ściana. Well done. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.